It feels so good here. It feels so good. I love being in the nature. In this video, I'm going to share with you my favorite spot in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, Perdana Botanical Garden, also called Lake Gardens. You are about to see how gorgeous this place is, with plenty of walking paths and spots to relax and enjoy the nature. You're so pretty! This would be my favorite spot. You can tell how happy I am to be here. Hi! It just stopped raining and I happened to be here nearby, so I couldn't miss a chance to come here to the park. Go and see it together, right? The park is easily accessible since it's in the center of KL. The best is to come here early in the morning to have a good walk with not so many people around. And don't worry about being caught here in the rain. There's this nice shelter where you can wait till you can walk around again. Hello! Hey you! You're so pretty! What you doing? Well, I guess you're resting, huh? What a wonderful place to be! Since this is a place to be in the moment and enjoy the scenery, I won't talk much here. Just enjoy the views and listen to the nature sounds. Let it be your meditation. One day I came here really early in the morning and I was rewarded with this stunning sunlight. There's a small shop there where you can get your snacks or coffee like I often do. Let me share one of my favorite spots here in this park. I really love spending time here, just sitting on the bench and enjoying this stunning view. And it's also a wonderful spot to hide from the sun or from the rain. I could spend here the whole day, seriously, just walking around. That's nice. I really love this place for reading. Just listen to the sounds. Wait. Can you hear? The birds. Just extremely happy being in the nature like this. Taman Rusa. Taman Rusa is translated as Deer Park, and you do get to see deer here. I will show them to you a bit later. Here they go, the deer. Look at the palm trees. I don't know why, but I've always had weakness for palm trees. I guess as long as I lived here in tropical countries. This is the best way to end my day, and by walking in the park. So do try to get out of a busy and noisy city and go spend some time in the nature. I hope you enjoyed this little walk in the Botanical Garden in Kuala Lumpur. It truly offers some fabulous views and spots to relax and enjoy the moments in nature. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos of wonderful places to enjoy.